What you do is you go in the Tesla app, then I press summon, and now I'm going to go to Target. Hold it down, it's preparing, and here comes my car. You see it's backing out right now. You can see that there's no one in the driver's seat. It's saying 188 feet. Now it's still coming. Still coming. And here it comes. Put on its blinker. 6 miles an hour. So this is why I love my car, because no other car company is doing this for the consumer market right now. This is truly mind-blowing. And right now you can see me, and my car is coming right up to me. Perfect. It's amazing. And this is awesome. I let go. This is awesome.